I know we might be crazy, but did you hear the story? A girl and a zombie.
Oh, tell me more, boy. Sounds like a fantasy.
Oh, what could go so wrong with a girl? Paradise, and I'm living on the darker side.